Check me out on my 1 a.m. flow, right? Late at night, I can't sleep, right? So because I can't sleep, I took care of everything, just about everything I needed to take care of. So I'm up, and this is what I'm doing. 1 o'clock in the morning, grinding, right? Some people ask me, I see you all the time, Dre. You always posting up stuff related to your business and foreign exchange market. You're always marketing it and grinding with it. I see you doing very well in it. But this is why I'm doing well. This is another reason. I do some marketing in it, but also I dig in, right? So I'm going to share a little bit of this with you guys.
So as you can see,
it's about technical
and I'm looking at the charts. I'm using these indicators. Just pretty much looking at price action, looking at what's going on over here. All right, so this is what technical analysis is all about. Just take a look at what's going on with these different charts. All right, so let's just say, for example,
Mook, what's going on, bro?
Same thing. Okay.
Marvelous.
What's going on the 15-minute chart? We're scalping. All right, we're scalping, taking short-term trades. So we can take a look at everything that's going on over here. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? This is what technical analysis is all about. It's looking at price action, seeing what it's doing, seeing what's going on over here, seeing what price is rejecting, seeing what price is being supported at, okay? And that's pretty much the basic principles of technical analysis. So I hope you understand what technical analysis is, the basic overview of technical analysis. I'll see you on the other side.
All right, so basically all I was doing was just going over one of the courses about technical analysts, analyzing the market in technicals, right? So what I'm doing is telling me that I'm looking for price action, right? I'm seeing what's going on in the market on the charts itself. Just overall, how do you chart and plot the trading view, right? The platform. That's it. So did the technical. Now I'm getting ready to do that fundamentals. And it's really nothing to it, man. It's really nothing to it, man. I can't sleep, so I might as well do a little bit of studying. And I already went over most of this stuff already. But that's fine. Doesn't matter. I can go over this stuff 20 times. I can learn something each and every time that I go over it, right? The fortune is in the lesson. And I'm willing to stay up a little longer than I have to, right? Because it's needed. So I can reinforce when I wake up in the morning. Actually, I should be trading right now. I could do some trading right now. But let's do a little bit of fundamental analysis.
Welcome everyone. In this video,
I'm gonna let you study me. What's going on, Mook? Man, I need to get in contact with you, brother. This is about the news.
So one of the websites that I love you.
This is about using some of the news, right? This one in particular is called forexfactory.com. And how do we use the news? Because news really, it affects the volatility of the market. Right? Of what market? The foreign exchange market. So how currency flows, right? What's in the buy, what's in the sell. One of the analysis that we do is we go and check the news, right? You can't just look at a chart and just because you see a few lines going up and down, right? Red line, blue line, or it may be green. It may be bullish, it might be bearish, right? Depending on you can't just look at that and say, hey, I'm going to get into the market right now. Right? This look like a good time. You got to do a little bit more research, right? And this is where the news comes in, right? So you got to use a couple things. You're using news, you're using your knowledge, you're plotting your course. Much like if you were in the Navy, like I was in the Navy, right? We had to steer the ship. And I know Mook is on. So Mook, we worked as deck seaman. Yeah, we steered the ship, but we didn't plot the course. Nor did we give the order. All we had to do is steer the ship, but we got to learn how to put it all together. So in this space, I'm doing all of those things. I'm plotting the course. I'm steering the ship. I'm giving the orders, right? when you think of it like that. So let me share this with you. Share a little bit of this with you.
So over here, we're going to be taking a look at different news updates that will be impacting the market.
What's going on? Good morning. Good morning.
So
thanks for tapping
this
in.
is what the chart is all about. So we see that the next update is at 10 a.m. and it's going to affect the CAD pairs, and it's going to have a heavy effect on it. So let me just give you the simple breakdown when you read this. Okay, the impact level, yellow stands for low impact. Okay, you see over here. Orange stands for medium impact, all right, to the currency. Red represents a red impact, all right? So today is NFP. Today is non-farm
report.
All right, so we know that there's major moves, being made in the market, okay? And that's pretty much what that is, okay? Whether it's positive or negative impact, you will see it reflect in the market. Now, I know some people that trade strictly off fundamental analysis. So they just take a look at what's going on over here, place a couple of pending orders, okay? Place a couple of pending orders on pairs relating to whatever pairs is going to be affected, whatever currency is going to.
All right, so I'm not going to show everything, right? I'm not going to show everything, but what I will say is that learning how to trade in the foreign exchange market is extremely promising and lucrative. It definitely opens up the doorway. Not being fearful to at least get on the charts and try and place a few trades, right? Now, again, you're going to lose some, but you're going to win some too, right? But depending on your level of your skill and your education, you want to minimize your loss ratio. Minimize your losses. And one way we do that is just staying up a little longer than usual, right? Because we want to break the generational curse of poverty, right? I want to break the generational wealth of poverty in my life, in my lineage, right? I want to change the dynamics. So I stay up a lot longer. So 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm usually up studying, building. It's a form of networking, right? Just finding out ways that I can do better and be better, all right? Just tap in. I'm having some opportunity calls all week, 8 o'clock and at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So definitely tap in. I would love to provide you with a link so you can see what it's like to actually take a few trades. I definitely want to get in contact with my guy Mook. I know I was building with you before, so expect a phone call from me tomorrow morning, and we definitely can build on that. All right. So you guys have a great one. Enjoy the rest of your night. Yeah, I got my do-rag on. So what? I'm in my own home. I can do what I want. Right? So it's time for me to get back to my studies. Peace.